guest is someone whose father generated huge amount of honor and respect across the party lines. Pranab Mukherjee's son, Abhijit Mukherjee, who made a debut on Congress ticket in 2011 in the then MLA elections, went on to win Lok Sabha by-polls in 2012, in 2014 again, but unfortunately lost in 2019. 2 years after the Lok Sabha elections in 2019 and 1 year after the demise of his father Pranab Mukherjee, he has now joined Trinamool Congress. To talk more about why he defected from Congress to TMC, we are joined by Abhijit Mukherjee himself. It's been almost 1 year after your father's demise. Your father held important portfolios in his life as a finance minister, defense minister, Ministry of External Affairs. Someone who spent almost 40 years in Congress, what are his memories for you today?
It's a great personal loss, towering personality. He was like an umbrella to us and to many others also. Now facing directly is a direct harsh weather because that guidance is no more there, that presence assurance is no more there, and one has to fight alone, fight back. I am doing that. After losing election in 2019, that is my fourth election. Out of 4 elections in 7.5 years, 3 elections I have consecutively won, and last one I have lost and lost badly. After that, I remain only a member of the party and no more activities because were not been included anywhere. Whatever may be the reason, I am not going into that, not blaming anyone.
Right.
I have faced such kind of humiliation. Although position was given by temporarily was given by AICC as one of the main persons to handle the elections. I was even not called by any that meeting. Many requested I have made. No one given any hit. That
During
person
West Bengal
concerned.
elections.
Bengal election. Bengal election. On my own, I started moving around for rallying people around these candidates and all. I got a feeling that they are a little bit scared if I go there.
You, of course, mentioned what prompted your move uh, to join Trinamool Congress when you left Congress Party. Congress Party, I believe, was also very harsh on your father as well towards the fag end of his career. What are the memories of that harshness uh, towards Pranab Mukherjee, sir?
I will not use that word harshness, but it's a kind of sentimental this thing that after my father's demise, another stalwart leader, two, three stalwart leaders also died. After that, there was a working committee meeting, and generally, Congress working committee meeting, there was a obituary reference, but there is no reference of my father. There is no reference of my father. A person who almost more than 50 years in that party, and at least minimum this thing was expected. Anyway, I am neither my father nor I am in a say, controlling position that I can conduct or control that. So this is another reason that people of Bengal they are feeling the Congress didn't treat someone properly.
Right.
Sonia Gandhi ji. She gave me ticket, I won. She came first time in the Hearst summer of Bengal in 2011 in the month of May on Nalhati. Stayed there for more than 45 minutes even after meeting. She again came in 2014. I won. And this time she couldn't come because of health reason.
So, who do you think, if
And
not Sonia
no,
Gandhi,
so it
was
is not that,
responsible for your exit?
no, this exit from Congress is my own decision.
But you said that they embarrassed you, they humiliated you.
Now,
So,
humiliated
if,
that particular person. I am not naming that man, that particular person.
was it Mr. Rahul Gandhi?
I'll not mention it. So
Did the
this is
Gandhis
one of the
try, did
reasons.
the Gandhis try to reconcile the differences
No,
which
no,
had erupted when you and
there is no call
Congress?
from them, and in fact, there is no call from. I came here wanted as a at least an audience, but somehow due to COVID and many other reasons, I didn't get any appointment. Not that because of that all this thing, I thought I have not changed my track. I was in Mother Congress, I am in another Congress. I repeat, Congress. That prefix is Trinamool, but it's a Congress. Mamata Banerjee is a product of Congress. 90% of her associates are from Congress. It's like somebody is boarding train from Howrah or Shialda to Delhi, and somebody is in between Dhanbad or Durgapur.
The head of the party which you have joined, Mamata Banerjee, seems to be coming of age beyond the image of being a street fighter or a fireman regional satrap. Do you think that she is gunning for 2024 as a unanimous choice among the opposition leaders as a PM pick?
Yes, we wish, and every Bengalis will release that ideas.
Also, Mr. Mukherjee, Mamata Banerjee and Prime Minister Narendra Modi also share a very rocky relationship. She stormed out of the meeting with Prime Minister Modi over Cyclone Yas relief work. Many critics in the country said that the behavior was very rude and very offensive towards the Prime Minister. Do you agree?
I'll not comment on that because there's no point of commenting, and I have a principle not to comment on our seniors, and that to leader.
Mr. Mukherjee, considering that May 2, when the results came, there was also significant post-poll violence. When Human Rights Commission submits an inquiry report, it makes damning disclosures on gory violence in West Bengal. It says a massive number of complaints, 2,000 odd, 1979 to be specific, 5,000 helpless victims, and most complaints came from Cooch Behar, Birbhum, uh, North Parganas, Kolkata. Just 1,300 out of 9,300 accused were nabbed. Even out of 1,300, 1,000 odd got bail. They blame the West Bengal government, and West Bengal government in turn blames the central government. Where is your stand over this?
Whatever has happened, right or wrong, is a wrong thing. Post violence and etc. etc. Even if one person is threatened, that is also not acceptable in principle.
But there were many videos which surfaced, and
There are
in
many
fact,
videos. No,
many
there,
union ministers were heckled when they were visiting after the result. I saw many union ministers being heckled right in the constituencies where TMC had won. And when those videos surfaced on social media, it looked like almost that TMC's goons were out on the streets and trying to corner the union ministers because they could not win West Bengal election, and they were being made to pay for it because they supported those people who supported the BJP. They almost fled since their homes were ransacked and there were attacks on them. Do you agree with those charges?
unless and until I personally interview those people, neither I believe, neither I deny.
But then it is the court which has only appointed the
Court
CBI.
and court, same court. One lower court gives some judgment, and it is undone by some senior other court. One judge to other judge. One say bench to another bench. I will not comment on judiciary. Don't get into that.
Mr. Mukherjee, the fact is that Trinamool Congress's animosity with BJP continues to grow. But in June 2018, when your father visited Nagpur at RSS headquarters, he lavished praises on efforts of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He went on to define nation, nationalism, and patriotism in the context of India, that is Bharat. How do you look at that visit? That also generated eyebrows within the Congress as well.
Look, the person is no more, and whatever he said there, that matters. That visit doesn't matter. Many senior people, even Congress, so far I know, I'll not name them, that heads of Congress, those times, they also visited Nagpur. Visit doesn't matter because this Nagpur or say RSS is not out of India. These people are not non-Indian. So visiting doesn't matter. Matter what he spoke about. Has he is anything spoken against India or society? Rather, he spoke about tolerance. People should be tolerant.
This conversation sort of brings me to another controversy which stemmed out a book which was being released in December 2020. You and your sibling have had a somehow frosty ties.
No comment on that.
You would not want to comment on that?
No.
Considering the fact that Trinamool Congress has recently appointed another Congress leader who joined from Congress party to TMC and given her a Rajya Sabha berth.
Exactly, this is the right thing that Mamata has done it. Because you are referring to Sushmita. Sushmitaji's father was responsible for bringing Congress into power, as that time he was Union Minister in Rajivji's cabinet, and as a stalwart leader in Northeast. particularly among Bengali speaking people,
In Tripura as well.
Tripura as well. And this is the right peak and right time. I repeat, right peak at right time, and she'll be able to demonstrate herself.
So my question to you is, from here on, what role do you see for yourself in Trinamool Congress?
Whatever that will be assigned by the leadership, that will be my role.
So are you eyeing any Rajya Sabha berth, or
It's question of eyeing or desiring is doesn't matter.
BJP also gave a huge amount of respect to your father? After all, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna during their tenure, which Congress could have also given him at some stage. How do you look at BJP's honor for your father?
A worthy person got a worthy award.
Since you mentioned about your own embarrassment within the Congress, that whether it is Jyotiraditya Scindia, Himanta Biswa, you, or for that matter, several other leaders who have had unsteady ties with the Congress over the past 4 or 5 years, why is that Congress is facing such a huge problem
Look, I am not that.
in maintaining their house in order?
Yeah, I am not in that stature of Jyotiraditya Scindia or even Mr. Hemant Biswa Sharma.
So when you say you are a misfit in the system, that can happen only for certain number of reasons which you have not explained. At who was that person? What did he say to you? Beyond that, are there any specific reasons where you felt uncomfortable talking to the Gandhis or approaching them?
नहीं, Gandhi is, basically is absolutely the reason behind Mr. Scindia's resignation and others. Only they can explain. But overall, there is a feeling. There is a feeling that people are not feeling ease with in the system.
During this interview, former President Pranab Mukherjee's son also showed us the lovely collection of his books, his personal room, and the photographs with the then US President George Bush.
In fact, that books you are now seeing it is 30% or 25% of his total collections. Once he moved from this house to governmental accommodation,
Right.
Half of the library also moved along with him from there to Rashtrapati Bhavan, and then some has been sent back, taken back. My sister, she is keeping in her library. Among foreign authors or foreign personalities, the books written by Churchill or written on Churchill,
Right.
and Second World War was very favorite to him. And among Bengalis, you see that Rabindranath Rachanabali, Rabindranath Tagore, then Tarashankar Bandyopadhyay, many others, Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay.
He would ask both of you, son and daughter, to read the same books as well, and maybe his granddaughter as well.
Kitab Padho. My unfortunately granddaughters, children, they cannot read Bengali. There is a problem because they have been practically brought up here from nursery.
Right.
But they also keep on reading books, but of their own choice.
Right. I also remember that you told me last year that your granddaughter had adopted 3 dogs, and when Mr. Mukherjee came to know of them, he kept on always making polite inquiries about those
Yes,
dogs.
that is there.
What are those dogs' names, and how close are they now, those dogs, to you or your daughter?
Is as good as her own children. And one more has been added. A blind cancer patient dog was left around, and she has picked up and adopted. Not only that, 3 more cats. Also, they are staying in the same flat, different cages.
She stays here.
No, in the another house in Siapat.
Right.
That house, she is staying there along with those pets, 4 dogs, 3 cats. Whenever Pitaji used to meet her and inquire about their क्या है तुम्हारा बच्चा लोग कैसा है.
On this fascinating note, we end the conversation with Abhijit Mukherjee, the son of former President Pranab Mukherjee, on what those memories of presidential years and earlier were for him, and what prompted the move for him to join Trinamool Congress